Alright, hey guys, so I'm on my way to get my laptop fixed. I'm going to try to get it fixed and not buy a new one to save some money. But some people want to see some of the roads, and this is usually around the season that the roads are being remade or being fixed, because the winters are pretty brutal and they destroy the roads. But this road has been needing it for a very long time. Like, with the seasons, if it rains or snows, the water gets on the side of the roads, and then it freezes, so the water gets in the cracks and like expands when it freezes, and then it retracts, and does that every year, and eventually it really does destroy the road, and you get really big cracks. So right now it's a springtime, so they're probably working on this road. This goes all the way down to the next city or town and all the way back down to where I live. So this is a huge section that they're doing, and they're gonna start on that end and then working all the way there, and then eventually start on this side. But right now it's just really slow on traffic. So I think we're about to go, so I'm gonna shut this off and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm just getting back. It is a little windy today, but I'm gonna try to go fly the drone out by like the sand dune area. But today's I kind of ran around doing errands today. My goal was to fix up my laptop so I wouldn't have to buy a new one, but the guy looking at it, I was almost gonna spend the same amount fixing it than I would buying another one. And I ended up buying a laptop. It wasn't new, but it was used, but they fixed up to like new. But I had a Dell laptop, and they said the graphics card on there, it's not really made for like editing or things like that. I'm not very laptop savvy, but there's another like gamer laptop, and he said it had the graphics card that would make rendering a lot faster. Like right now, when I render a video, which is kind of like exporting it after you're finished editing it, you have to render it and then you can put it on YouTube. Well, that takes like, for one video, for like only like a 20-minute video, it'd take like an hour or more to render. So if it's an hour video, it'd take like 2 or 3 hours to render. And then my computer would overheat so much that sometimes it would just shut off. So I really didn't want to get a new laptop, because I liked my laptop. I had that for like the whole time I was in the Philippines. I knew exactly, it's just like shoes, or your favorite clothes. I love that laptop. So, but I end up getting a new one. I think it's called an Acer, and I'm kind of getting the hang of it now. So I wanted to make a video real quick and edit the video and see how much faster the rendering is. But actually, this is where my treehouse fell down. Maybe I'll walk over there before I make a video. I'll put this stuff down. I grabbed a little chair. Actually, you don't even need a sweater out here. It's a really nice day. I haven't been out in this area really yet. This is a whole bunch of different land. This is my uncle's, one of my uncle's property like area. So he comes out here sometimes and stays the night. There's the camper there. Here's a little fire pit. And then out there is like my other uncles, and then my grandma. Like, it's different people. My different parts of family owns different lands out here. And then I own the hunk in the middle where my house is. But I haven't been out here. We built this. We used to sleep out here. I made a video about this before when it was still in one piece. But I haven't seen this since it fell down. I'm not sure even what this is. Oh, it's a generator. Okay. Must be my uncle's. Well, this is different. We used to have a trap door right here. We could go in and go up in there. And we had a little sitting area down here, and you go up top. It had a roof and everything. It was really cool. We'd sleep out here. But that tree fell down right there. So that tree fell right there. Well, that's too bad. We had a lot of fun nights out here. So I guess I'm gonna walk over here, fly the drone. Today was just kind of, you know, lots of driving, and then right now my tub is not draining, so I try not to use like those really bad harsh chemicals because I do have a septic tank. So I tried to use vinegar and baking soda. Like, a trick is, if you guys ever get a stuffed up tub or something, or sink, you're supposed to put baking soda in, and then vinegar, like a cup of each, and then let that do its thing, and then let it sit for 5 minutes, and then put boiling water down, and then repeat as needed. And I repeated like 6 times and it didn't do anything. So and then the toilet's kind of clogged up too. So that's just one of the things out here. It's hard water. It's different than like city water. Out here is like from the ground, and if you guys know the difference between like hard water and regular like city water. So we always have that problem of like, it's almost like clay forming. Like if you let that sit for too long, it would just like build the clay around the pipes. So that really hasn't been checked on the last couple years since I've been away. So it's just those little minor things that, you know, eventually does cause a problem. But yeah, that's just kind of minor things I was doing today, kind of just driving Michigan City back. And but I did get the computer, so that's one step closer. One of the things I really needed was a computer. But this is kind of like the area out here. This used to be where we ride like the thru-wheelers, the dirt bikes, all through here. It's really fun. There's tons of paths going through here. We do have a three-wheeler, and we will use that eventually to pick up piles of wood throughout the year. You know, some trees fall down, and then we eventually in the summertime, this time when you can actually get outside and cut them, we cut them in pieces, and then we eventually bring them back to the house to split up for the winter to burn. that was pretty cool. They come and go, come and go. They're always passing through. All right, so I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit before it gets too dark.